I'm Public Information Officer Kelsey Perry with 5 fast things happening around the city you need to know. At number 5, it's a shout out to our Transportation and Streets Department for its pavement preservation work this summer. Despite the sweltering heat, crews paved more than 95,000 square yards of event space out at Westworld and are currently working on improving parking lots and driveways at the fire and police stations at DC Ranch. Projects like these improve driving conditions and help to extend the life of the pavement. Coming in at number 4, it's a big congratulations to Scottsdale's Human Services Department for making this year's annual Back to School program a smashing success. The city helped more than 1,000 families prepare for the new school year by supplying students with backpacks, books, clothing, shoes, and other supplies. Students also receive free dental screenings, food, gift cards, and more. Human Services staff teamed up with Scottsdale Police, the Scottsdale Unified School District, and local nonprofits to make it happen. For more information, head to scottsdaleaz.gov and search Back to School program. At number 3, it's an invitation to talk sustainability at 2 upcoming community workshops. On Wednesday, September 11th, and Monday, September 16th, Scottsdale is hosting discussions on the city's efforts to become more sustainable and resilient. Participants will have the opportunity to learn about current projects and share their ideas for enhancing the city's work. Visit scottsdaleaz.gov and search Sustainability Initiatives to register. At number 2, we tip our caps to Water Resources Executive Director Brian Biesemeyer, who is retiring this month after 12 years at the helm of Scottsdale Water. Just part of his distinguished career dedicated to leading and advancing water initiatives and serving his community. Brian leads the city department responsible for water and wastewater services and stepped up on 2 separate occasions to serve as Scottsdale's acting city manager. The city will initiate a national search to fill the executive director position. Assistant Executive Director Kevin Rose will assume responsibilities in the interim. Congratulations, Brian. Enjoy retirement. And at number 1, it's the launch of the city's brand new college scholarship program, Scottsdale Promise. Scholarships are now available for residents or graduates of Scottsdale high schools who have demonstrated financial need and are attending any of the Maricopa community colleges. The funds can be used toward tuition, books, or course fees, and can be renewed for up to 4 semesters. To apply, visit scottsdaleaz.gov and search Scottsdale Promise. And that's our Fast 5 for September. For more news and events, sign up for our city newsletters by heading to scottsdaleaz.gov and searching Newsletter.